Hi and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your side mounted battery wires to a top post mount. So the main reason I want to do this is for convenience. If you have the side terminals and you're looking for a battery, you might notice that there are way more top posts. Actually almost every battery is top post. A lot of the time the side posts are a little more expensive. So yeah, the main reason I'm doing this is for convenience. But the connectivity is a little better with top mount than the side mounted. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first what we need to do is cut or take off the terminals that are already connected to the wires. And to do that, we just cut the side of this rubber here and then pulled it out. So you can see this one here is already cut. Just going to take the battery out so that we have better access in here. So we just cut that and pulled the screw out. And next here we're just going to pull this whole rubber piece off. As you can see there, we cut up the side of it. And now we just need to cut this wire off. And the same with the negative terminal. And we need to undo this ground here, just so we have better access. And then we're also going to be getting rid of that smaller wire and putting a new one on, because it's not going to reach. Okay, so we have that detached, and we already took the rubber piece off of the negative terminal. This is the wire that I found that I'm going to be using. It's just leftover wire that we had from an old project. So I'm just going to measure out the length that I need and cut it. Then I'm going to take the old, whatever that's called there, I'm just going to take that one off of the old one and put it on the new one, which I've already done here. Alright, so I slid the heat shrink on this wire, and now I'm just heating up the heat shrink. Here are the new top post terminals I'm going to be using. Here's what I talked about earlier. I'm just using a metal hacksaw to cut these wires off because they're so thick, and I don't want to spend all day cutting them with wire cutters. But you could do that if that's all that you had. So here I am just putting the two positive wires onto the terminal. These are pretty thick wires, so it's a little difficult to wedge them in. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the negative wires, the ground. Alright, so we have all of the wires attached, and next we just need to heat up this shrink wrap to protect them a little bit. Here's the spot that the ground screws into. I went ahead and cleaned up the metal a little bit just so that there's a better connection. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully that video was helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, just leave them down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. I'll see you in the next one.